and this video will show you how to add Porkbun domain to Cloudflare. First of all, you need to go to the Porkbun, go to your account, click on your account in the top right and go to the domain management. And right here we'll see the list of your domains. You need to copy the domain name you want to add to Cloudflare, and now go to the Cloudflare. Sign in or register an account, then click Account Home in the menu, and from this page you can start adding your domain to Cloudflare. We need to enter our domain right here, and from these three options we can choose the first one, which is Quick Scan for DNS records, and it's recommended by Cloudflare. Now we need to scroll down and click Continue, and then we need to choose our account plan. In my case, I will choose the free plan, but if you want some advanced features, you can look for other plans too. So let's click on the free plan, then scroll all the way down and click Continue to Activation. Now we need to update our name servers on Porkbun, so let's copy the first Cloudflare name server and let's go to the Porkbun. Under our domain, you will see this NS button right here. You need to click on it, and we need to paste our name servers right here. First one, and then the second one. Click Submit, and that's all. Now we can go back to the Cloudflare, click Continue button, and now we need to wait few hours, and our domain will be linked to Cloudflare. So as you can see, Cloudflare is now checking our name servers, and we need to wait few hours for an update. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.